Repetition control statements. Do-while statement. This lesson introduces the use of do-while statement as another reiteration control statement. The flow of execution for do-while loop as well as its syntax will be presented. Sample code fragments will also be presented to demonstrate how do-while loop behaves. First, let's define what do-while loop and how it works. It is used to iterate a block of statements several times. Specifically, do-while loop is used if the number of iterations is not fixed. The block of statements is executed at least once since the condition is checked after the block of statements, meaning it runs code first, then it runs a test. Now let's see the syntax. It says do, then the pair of curly brackets, then the blocks of statement and while, then parenthesis condition, where do and while are the keywords for this statement. Condition is where you set the condition which when satisfied the loop is executed, otherwise the loop is terminated. Block of statements is the body of the loop that is executed once and is executed again as long as the condition is met. Now let's see the flow of execution of do-while loop. It starts with the initialization of variable which is executed only once, which is similar to the for loop. Do and then it executes the block of statements, then goes to the condition where it is evaluated whether or not it is true or false. If the condition is false, the do-while loop is terminated. If the condition is true, it executes the block of statements again.
Now let's see the first example. I'm going to type int c equals 0, do, and then count less than c, less than, quotation mark, next line. After that, c++, and d, while, close and open parenthesis, c is less than 3. I'm going to run the code and then the output will be 0, 1, and 2. Now take a look at another sample code fragment below where do-while loop is within another do-while loop. This is called nested do-while loop. I'm going to type int c equals 0, and then do, and then int r equals 0, do, and then count less than r, then r plus plus, and then while r is less than 2. After that, count less than, next line, and then c++, and then while, close and open parenthesis, c is less than 3. Let's run the code and the output will be 010101. For the last example, I'm going to try the C++ program and let's see what will be the outcome. After that, I'm going to encode int c equals 1, do, int r equals 1, and then do, and then count less than, and r plus plus, and then while, close and open parenthesis, r is less than 6, count less than, quotation mark, then new line, c++, and then let's encode the while, and then c is less than 6. I'm going to run the code and then the output will be that, end. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned from this video.